touch my hair.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a Miss Jessie's hair review. I noticed every time I do voiceovers, they seem to be rushed in my other videos. I'm going to take my time on this one. I purposely did the editing a little bit slower so that I can take my time and go over the different products and everything. So the first thing I'm going to do is start off with washing my hair, of course, with water. So we are going to go in with the Harm Me Not Gentle Sulfate Free Shampoo. I love the packaging. Pink and yellow is so cute. This shampoo was not on the thicker side. It was kind of watery, but it did very, very well. I, of course, focused the shampoo on my scalp, and it did not sud up a whole lot, like not like a really, really big lather. But after I read the packaging, it's supposed to say no, well, it said no suds, no mineral oil sulfates, surfactants, no animal testing, and no animal ingredients that's on here. And it claims to be a moisturizing shampoo, and it's a gentle cleansing. And I can say that my hair still felt moisturized while using this shampoo, and I actually like the shampoo a lot. It did not strip my hair, but my hair did feel clean, but it wasn't to the point where it was like straw, if you get what I'm saying. It was in between. So even after me rinsing my hair out, it still felt really good. I liked this shampoo a lot. I bought this during Black Friday on a sale, so it was half off. So I was pleased with it. Next, we're going to talk about this Soften Me Up Triple Soft Moisturizing Conditioner. The consistency of this was super light, and excuse my face because I had lit a candle in my bathroom and I couldn't tell what I was smelling, the candle or this product. Every last one of these products smell very good, but they all have different smells. So, but none of them were overpowering the other. The actual conditioner, I'm smelling it now, it had like a sweet smell to it, kind of like a cake kind of taste. I mean, not cake taste, but a cake smell. So my hair was super tangled because it's been a week since I washed my hair. So the shampoo did a good job of cleansing my hair, but my hair still felt like kind of, I don't know, it was still tangled. But once I put this conditioner in my hair, as you guys can see, my hair just automatically just felt super duper soft. Like, it was crazy how much slip my hair had. It was easy for me to detangle my hair. There was no issues. Me detangling my hair, the slip was amazing. It made my hair super duper soft. Even after I rinsed it out, my hair actually still felt moisturized. You know how you can use some conditioners and your hair don't feel moisturized after you rinse it out? Not this one. My hair felt super duper good, and I was very happy with the shampoo and the conditioner. So I would highly recommend both of them. You can find these products actually at Target. I've seen them at Target, and they've been around for a very long time. I've been wanting to try them, but I just haven't had a chance to get my hands on it. So whenever I had the 50% off, I was like, oh, heck yeah. So now we're going to talk about the Super Sweet Back Treatment. Y'all, I don't even know how to pronounce half this stuff that's in here. Centella, Astiaca, and avocado butter. This is a super thick deep conditioner. It's not as thick as the Pattern Beauty Pattern Beauty conditioner, but it was a thick consistency of a deep conditioner. But it smelled really, really, really good. And it wasn't too thick to where it wouldn't penetrate my hair shaft. As you guys can see, it kind of just melted into my hair with no issues. Y'all, this deep conditioner, oh my gosh, my hair was, so the conditioner left my hair soft, but the deep conditioner just put it to a whole other level of softness. And my hair felt so good. I left it in my hair while I took a shower, and I'm rinsing it out, and my hair still feels so good. Y'all, this wash day was like just what I needed, because I have been down with COVID, so I had not washed my hair in a week, so I needed like a good wash day, and this delivered. So I'm going to go ahead and finish styling my hair in the shower, which I normally don't do, but I will do for this video. I did do for this video. We're going to talk about the leave-in condition with soybean and aloe. This claims to be the best darn leave-in conditioner, period. That's what the packaging say. It says period. It's a good detangler. I have used this before in the past, and the smell smells like a dish, like a good dish soap. Like, that's all I can describe it as. Like a very strong detergent, but it smells really, really good. And this conditioner is actually in a different packaging from when I used it years ago, but I can say it had the same consistency and it still delivered like it did last time. I like this leave-in conditioner a lot. It's not my absolute best favorite, but I do like it a lot. And this wash day, wait till you get to the end. Y'all gonna see how bomb my hair came out. Like bomb, bomb, bomb. So now next to the next thing we're talking about is the curly meringue. Sweet almond oil and avocado oil is in this. So I went ahead and styled my hair with this. When I was doing my hair, I felt like it was just like disappearing in my hair. And I didn't use a whole lot, but I used a lot. And I was actually a little worried that my hair would feel a little way down, but I must say it did not feel way down. Even with me using a lot, it did not give my hair a lot of hold, but my hair dried so fast. Like within 2 hours, my hair was dry, like, which is crazy. My hair dried really fast, even though I used a lot of products. My hair really did like feel moisturized. So this is the next day. I just put a bonnet on my hair and went to sleep. As you guys can see, my hair shrunk up like so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Dyson. I'm so excited. I finally got me a Dyson, y'all. A real Dyson. Got it for Christmas. I'm so excited and I love it. It's worth every penny. I'm gonna go ahead and stretch my hair. And I have some pretty bad news because the next clip, y'all, I did not have my mic on, so I'm sorry. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave that here, but I will see. Yeah, I didn't have my mic on. So next part, I'm supposed to be talking. You can't hear me. So here we go. All right, you guys. So this is the finished look. I'm going to try to remember what I said, but this is my hair after it's all said and done. It stretched out really well. My hair felt like really good. It was soft. Like it was a very good wash day. I happily recommend every last one of them. I will say that my favorite product out of the whole line was that conditioner, and the deep conditioner was really the bomb. The styling products did really good as well. My hair looked and felt moisturized. I did spray some oil in my hair after I stretched it, but at the end of the day, like, to say that this is going to be like a 5-day wash day, no. I would say I would give it probably maybe a 3-day wash day, but I actually liked it a lot. The Curly Meringue did very good with the styling as well. So I'm pleased. I'm pleased. Price point, I think all of these were under $15-16. Like I said, I paid half price for it, but I would pay full price again to repurchase them. Excuse my phone in the background of my mirror. I was trying to film a TikTok, and I'm trying to learn TikTok, and just excuse that. I didn't know that was up there. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I'm going to stop rambling now. So please subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.